Hi friends, welcome you all. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss the open architecture in bank assurance. The concept of open architecture in bank assurance. So let us start what is open architecture. Open architecture in bank assurance means tie up with many insurance companies which are in different type of insurance business such as life insurance, general insurance, etc. So there were some limitations on banks for tie up with many insurance companies which offers different types of products which correctly suits to the customer's need. With the open architecture in bank assurance, bank have more freedom to tie up with different insurance companies and they can offer the product as per the need of customers. Open architecture in bank assurance with tie up to three life insurers, general insurance and health insurers. So each and new models like insurance marketing firms which allow establishment agent advisor to sell product of two life insurer could change the way consumer can interact with these distributors. Under the open architecture, customer will have the choice to pick plans that best fit their requirement since a life insurance solution of more than one company will be available through a single bank distributor. The customer will also have the option to mix and match the products of two life insurance providers to come up with a unique and powerful solution that best suits her life stage need. The concept is similar to a multi-brand showroom that allows a customer to choose the best out of the collection of brands available under the one roof. In the Indian life insurance industry, it's back in the growth phase after nearly half a decade. What lends confidence to the sustainability of this growth are favorable macroeconomic environment, social factors, and participation of almost all the companies in this growth. In addition, both the regulators and the life insurance insurers utilized the difficult period to improve product offering, to ramp up customer service and enhance efficiencies of the distribution network. While product design and customer service improvement witnessed an immediate customer impact, it is the introduction of open architecture in distribution that is expected to start delivering customer benefit over the next 12 and 15 months or more than that. Open architecture in bank assurance with up to three life insurers, general insurers, and health insurers. Each and new models like insurance marketing firms, which allow established agent advisors to sell products of two life insurers, could change the way consumer can interact with these distributors. So the limitation was there before this open architecture that the bank can have a limited uh, products to sell to the customers, but now under the open architecture the bank can tie up with many insurance company and can offer the product which is suitable to the customer and according to the need of customer. Insurance marketing firm helps established life insurance distributor move towards becoming independent financial advisors who have the ability to offer a bucket of financial solution based on the needs of customers. It is an established fact that competition brings in efficiency, which reflects in superior product design and pricing and better customer service. So now the competition increased, and all the competition increases the efficiency, or it brings the efficiency, and it gives the superior product, superior service, and in the low prices and better customer service. So the open architecture in bank assurance brings these all these things in the insurance industry, bank assurance industry. When life insurer will be competing for same shelf space in an open market scenario, the winner most often is the one who has better overall customer value propositions. Being a long term product, life insurance efficiencies will not be limited to one time product offering and purchase journey. Life insurer will be competing to provide superior service across the customer life cycle. This help life insurer retain the customer and cross sell when new needs arises, creating a win-win for the customer, the bank, and the life insurer. With great access to customer data, not only through the bank but also through their online behavior in the competitive environment, life insurer will design more customized products and services for bank customers. It is a proven fact globally that consumers buy life insurance 6 to 7 times in their lifetime to meet their life stage needs. The probability of reaching out to the same life insurer is significantly higher if the service provided on earlier policies is good. However, if the policyholder is not happy with the service of her current life insurer, uh, she she or he may decide to shift to a new one, and that will be easier in open architecture. The customer will have the option of moving to another life insurer without even moving away from the existing distributor with whom she is tied up due to multiple relationships such as saving, investment, loan, and others. So this distributor is the bank here in the bank assurance. Given this reality, life insurance companies will try to differentiate with each other on customer service parameters. In terms of quality and speed, to retain existing policyholder and create a positive disposition towards the brand when considering new life insurance purchase. For an industry that is competing with other investment products for a share of customers' wallet, it is important to have a cross pollination of ideas with the industry to further enhance product and service offering. Open architecture offers this opportunity in a real life working environment where life insurers can learn from the competing brand to improve their service standards and product solutions. This will not only be beneficial for bank customers but life insurance customers at large. This creates another win-win where customers benefit through better offering and life insurance industry is able to establish superior connect with its customers. The impact of open architecture on Indian life insurance industry and other life industry will be visible soon. So friends, that much in this today's video. The next part of open architecture we are going to uh, discuss in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. Today we have discussed the what is open architecture, then what are the facts which are going on in the bank assurance sector, and what were the limitations in the insurance sector, bank insurance sectors, and how the open architecture of the in the bank assurance sector will help the Indian insurance industry to back in the growth phase and perform better. Here the customers will get the better products, better service, improvement, and they can choose the product they suits and what they have uh, in a need, so they will get the that product. Second thing we have discussed is uh, that the competition will increase in this sector, in the bank assurance sector, and it will bring the efficiency. Whenever the competition increases, it brings the efficiency, and efficiency brings which reflect in the superior product design and better service to the customer, better product, and compared to these services the price of such products will be lower. So all these things we have discussed in this open architecture in bank assurance. Now the banks do not have to stick up with the limitation that they can tie up with one or two general and life insurance company, but now they can tie up with multiple insurance company and offer a better product to the customers and better services to the customer within the lower price, and the both customers, bank and insurance company have the win-win situation. The bank can offer multiple products with type with the multiple insurance company, and the customers will get the better product and have a more choice, like a mall means they can choose different types of product, whatever they have need and what suits to them. And insurance company also can get the multiple distributor for their product, and they do not have to depend on the particular distributor or few distributors, so they can have a multiple insurance product distributors. So this open architecture in bank assurance have provided more scope to insurance industry, particularly to the bank assurance industry, and certainly it will beneficial to the bank assurance industry, to the bank also get the benefit of this open architecture. The insurance company will get the benefit soon of this new model, and a customer will get the better product, yeah, the efficiency, better service, and the cheaper price. So friends, that much in this today's lecture. Thanks for watching. Write your name in the comment box, and if you have any problem in understanding or anything, you can write to me and you can call to me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.